We are here in solidarity with democracy. We are law-abiding citizens. We are Ijaw people. We stand for justice, we stand for peace, and we stand for equity. What's happening today is an aberration to democracy. It is against democracy. It is against democratic practice in Nigeria. The past local government chairman took hold of office that after 3 years, they will take a bow and leave. For them to stay more than 3 years, an aberration to the practice of democracy. These are people who supported too. I am not from Nasarawa State. I am from River State. I am from Obio local government. The judges you're seeing here are from River State, and they belong to each of the different local governments. Yes. We voted for these people. We voted for these people. It is 3 years we voted for them. Are they saying they don't want to leave council? Are they the only Rivers people? We say after 17th of June, they should take a bow and leave. Yes. What we are doing is our civil rights to protest, to say it's a peaceful protest. Nobody's carrying arm against it. Police is doing their job. We are here to say, local government chairman, thank you. You have governed your local government council for 3 years. Please peacefully take a walk and leave, while the government and the electoral body will prepare for fresh election. What we are doing today is our civil right to say peacefully, we don't want anarchy in River State. We don't want distraction. We don't want commotion in River State. The governor of River State is a peace-loving man. If I tell you, I so much admire the governor, he has not even used 1% of his power. We know how other governors govern River State, where civilians were locked up via their own order. But this governor has never given that kind of order. Of course, you know, we have the right to occupy the streets when things are going contrary. We're saying it's enough for local government chairman. They should take a bow and go. Why? The rightful thing will be done. The rightful thing is what? At the appropriate time, election will be conducted and fresh local government chairman will take over from them. Their tenure elapsed. That should be next yesterday, which is 17th of June. Anything outside that will never be accepted by IjawYouths Council in River State. That is what That is what we stand for. We have advised our youth to be law-abiding. Nobody should take laws into their hand. Nobody bankroll this process. It's a process that I've been supporting other governors. We supported Wike in River State. Go back and check your history. On the process of supporting Wike, Ijaws lost their life. Yes. In Abonima, Buguma, and Degema. In Ijaw land, we have been supporting others with our lives for once. For once, let there be peace in River State. Let him govern River State peacefully. We have supported other ethnic groups. We have supported them with our lives, with our money, and our resources. Wike should be aware. If it's instrumental to Wike, see his emergence as governor. Ijaws are instrumental to his emergence as governor. Wike, you have tried. We want you to be minister. Allow him to breathe. Let me say we talk. Wike, day your day. Yes. Nobody worries him for instance. Thank you very much. We are grateful. Thank you.